In this video, we'll look at a couple of different ways you can add a booking fee in a SuperControl owner account. So the first thing we're going to do is add the booking fee. So under Properties and then Booking Extras. And then I'm going to add a new option here for booking fee. So in the first instance, I'm just going to leave it as is. I'm going to change the payment so it's payable with the deposit, but I'm going to leave all the other options as is. So now I have a booking fee added. I need to add it to a property. So you can add that in bulk across your properties by clicking on the title here, select all the properties, and then you can add the extra to your properties here. So I'm going to add, in this case, I'm going to add a fixed booking fee of £25 to Anchor Cottage. I'm going to leave the VAT and VAT blank because just make it simple. This is a fixed amount, so it's going to be a one-off fee. I'm going to put one max for this property. So I need one for my property. I'm going to have it payable on the deposit, and I'm going to set default to 1. So setting default means that this will now apply to every single booking for this property. So if we look at what this looks like, here's Anchor Cottage, and if I select a week, we can see here we have a full price of £1,000. We have a booking fee of £25. So that's itemized out to the guest on top of the £1,000 price. I'm going to show a couple of other options in here. I'm now going to change this to a percentage of rent, and I'm going to have a 5% booking fee. So now if I go back to my calendar, you can see now I've got a £50 booking fee, 5% of 1,000. And again, that is itemized to the guest. Going back again, and I've still got this percentage of rent selected, but I'm going to go back to the Booking Extras page, and I'm going to click on to edit this. And then down here, we've got this option here to don't itemize to guests if it's a default option. So what this is effectively going to do is wrap it into your price. So if you remember, we had a 5% option, £50. Now if I select 7 nights, you can see that my £1,050 is showing, but the booking fee is not itemized. So that will be included in the price that the guest pays. When it arrives back into SuperControl, the £50 booking fee will be itemized out, but it's not itemized out to the guest. If you're looking at charging a non-refundable booking fee, then it may be better to itemize it out, whether you use a percentage or whether you use a fixed fee.